Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add an admin on your Facebook page. So you want to first of all go to the page. You must have created the page already. Alright, so you want to find the page where it is. So this is my profile. I clicked on the three hamburger icon. Alright, and then I'm clicking on this circle which you are seeing here. These are my profiles and my page. These are the pages I manage on my account. So you go to the page that you want to add an admin on. So when the page has loaded up, you want to go into the page profile. All right, then you are going to see a three hamburger icon. All right, you want to click on it. Just after the edits, that's the page settings. This is the page settings. You want to click on page status, and then you want to see manage admins. Manage admins. Click on manage admins. Then you see people with Facebook access. All right, people with tax access. These are the two kinds of access that you can give to people on your page. All right, you're going to see add new. Under people with Facebook access, you see add new at the top right. Even people with tax access, you see add new. So it depends on the responsibility you want to give to each of the people you are bringing into your page. So if you click on people with tax access, okay, you are going to see the responsibility. People with tax access can't switch into this page or manage it directly on Facebook, but they can manage it with other tools from Facebook, such as Business Suite. So they can manage it with Meta Business Suite. All right. So that's that. When you click on next, you can now go ahead and add the people you want to add. So that's one way of doing that. People with Facebook access, you click on add new. So anyone with Facebook access will have a shared experience, including your feed and your notifications for this page. However, each admin will see ads that are personalized to them based on their activity across Meta products. All right, so these people have more flexibility with your Facebook page than people with just tax access. All right, so that's that. So you click on next, and then you want to search the person's name. You want to search the person's name that you want to make. The person must be your friend on Facebook first. All right, the person must be your friend on Facebook before you can add the person here. So you type in the person's name. So this is the person I want to make an admin on this page now. As you can see, we are friends. That's why I can see her and I can add her now. All right, so these are the roles she can do. She can create, manage, delete posts, stories, and more as the page. She can receive and respond to messages and make calls as the page. She can respond to comments, remove unwanted content, and report activity. She can create ads, manage ads, and delete ads for the page. All right, now there's an option down here that is very important. It says allow this person to also have full control, meaning the person can delete your page or not. So make sure this button is turned off, except you trust the person so much that you know that your page is safe with this person. All right, so I usually leave this button off, and then you want to click on give access. Now what's going to happen is they're going to ask you to put in your password. All right, you're going to put in the password of your Facebook account. And then you click on confirm. They are going to be giving her the option of, they are going to send her a notification for her to accept her position as an admin on your page. So it's as simple as that. If you have any question you want to ask, make sure you send me a DM, comment on this video, and then I'm going to clarify more about the process. All right, so see you in my next video.